Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python effectively, step by step. First, set up your development environment by installing Python and a suitable code editor like Visual Studio Code. Next, dive into the core fundamentals, understanding concepts such as variables, data types, and basic operations. It's crucial to practice these foundational elements by writing many small scripts to ensure a strong grasp before moving forward. Once you have a solid grasp of the basics, it's time to apply your knowledge through practical projects. Start with small, manageable projects that genuinely interest you, perhaps a simple calculator or a text-based game. Breaking down larger projects into smaller, achievable tasks will make the learning process less daunting and more rewarding. This hands-on approach is essential for effective learning. To deepen your understanding, explore more advanced Python concepts. Delve into object-oriented programming, learning about classes and objects, and master functions and modules for better code organization. Familiarize yourself with essential data structures such as lists, dictionaries, and sets. Additionally, investigate popular external libraries and frameworks that align with your specific learning goals, like NumPy for data or Flask for web development. Learning Python is a continuous journey. Regularly review and refactor your code to enhance its efficiency and readability. Engage with the vibrant Python community by participating in forums or contributing to open-source projects. This offers invaluable learning opportunities. Always stay updated with the latest Python features and best practices to keep your skills sharp and relevant in the ever-evolving tech landscape.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.